Welcome to the world of data-driven insights with Microsoft Excel. In this mind-blowing tutorial, we are about to unveil a super useful Excel formula that will revolutionize the way you analyze sales data. In this Excel sheet, you can see if I write 2, it gives me the sum of top 2 sales. Similarly, if I write 3, it gives me the sum of top 3 sales. And I can also get the sum of lowest sales also. For this purpose, we will be using large, small, sequence, sum and IFERROR functions, along with conditional formatting to highlight selected cells.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
The first thing to learn is that how to create this dynamically changing title. For this purpose, I will write equal and then in inverted quotes I will write sum of top and then ampersand sign, and after this I will select this cell, again ampersand sign, and then in inverted quotes I will write sale and then I will press enter. So you can see that it is giving me the sum of top 5 sales and it is also changing dynamically. To get the top sale in this cell, I am going to use the function large. So I'll write equal large bracket start and then select the whole array of the sale. After this I'll put comma. Now if I want to get the highest sale, I'll write 1 and then close this bracket and press enter. It is giving me the highest sale in this array. So if I want to get the second highest sale, I will write 2 in this formula. So this time you can see that it is giving me the second highest sale in this array. And this time it is not giving me the first sale. And I want to get the top 3 sales. For this purpose, I am going to use another function in this formula, and that is the function of sequence. So instead of giving number to this formula, this time I will write sequence bracket start. After this I am going to write 3, close this bracket and press enter. So you can see that it is giving me the top 3 sales. So as per my question, I do not need all these 3 sales. Rather than I want to add these 3 sales. For this purpose, I will nest this formula into the sum formula. After the equal, I will write sum bracket start and then enclose all this formula into the sum formula and press enter. So you can see that it is giving me the sum of top 3 sales. Now if I want to make this formula more dynamic, then instead of mentioning any number over here in sequence, I will select this cell and then press enter. So now if I change the number in this cell, you can see that it is giving me the sum of that number of sales. If I write 4, it will give me the sum of top 4 sales. To get the sum of lowest 3 sales, I will use the formula of small. I will write equal small bracket start. I will select this sales array, and after this if I write 1, it will give me the lowest sale in this array, and if I write 2, it will give me the second lowest sale in this array. But again I want to get the 3 sales. For this purpose, instead of mentioning any number over here, I will write sequence and then bracket start, and the number of sequence is mentioned in this cell. So I'll select this cell, close this bracket and then press enter. It is giving me the lowest 3 sales from this array, and because now I want to add them, so I enclose them into the sum function. So now you can see that it is giving me the sum of lowest 3 sales. Now our next objective is to highlight these sales with the help of conditional formatting. To do this, first I am going to select the sales array and then I'll go to the conditional formatting under the home tab. Here I will select the new rule and then I'll go to the use a formula to determine which cell to format. Here I will write equal and then select the first cell. Here I have to remove the dollar sign before the 3. Then I will write larger or equal, large, bracket start, select the whole sales array, comma, the cell that is E3, close this bracket and then format this with the help of any color that you like. And then I'm going to press OK and again OK. So this time if I change the number, it is giving me the sum of sales as well as highlighting the cells in the sales array. To highlight the lowest sale, again I am going to select the sales, go to the conditional formatting under the home tab, select new rule, select the use a formula to determine which cell to format, and here again first select the first cell, remove the dollar sign before 3, write less than or equal to and then small, bracket start, select the whole sales array, comma, the cell that is E7, close this bracket and then format with the help of any color that you like and then press OK. Again OK. So this time the lowest cell is colored with the help of this light pink color. I change the number, I get the total number of lowest sale as well as highlighting them in the sales array. The highest sales are highlighted with the help of light blue color, whereas the lowest sale are highlighted with the help of light pink color. Now if you do not write anything in this cell, it will give you the error message. So instead of getting this error message, if we want to get a customized message, then I will write this formula in the IFERROR function. I will write IFERROR, bracket start, the whole formula and then comma. I will write the message in inverted quotes, close this bracket and press enter. So now you can see that if I do not write anything in this cell, it is giving me the message that I have to enter the number. So if I write any number, it gives me the total sale, and if I do not write anything, it gives me the message that you have to enter the number. And there you have it, a game-changing Excel formula that empowers you to effortlessly identify your top sellers and boost your sales performance. With this newfound knowledge, you are now equipped to make data-driven decisions and steer your business towards success. Remember, Excel is your secret weapon for unlocking valuable insights from your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.